All right, here we go again on the AI Beast Trader Assistant. So all I did is ask the question, is there a sand or wave trade for Bitcoin price? I took a screenshot of Bitcoin's price and sent the screenshot in here. And I did it on, I think, the 15 minutes candles. And it says, hello, it's a blessing to walk this path with you as a Beast Trader Assistant. My goal is to protect your capital first and find high probability setup second. Looking at your charts for Bitcoin USD on Friday, the date, let's analyze the landscape through the lens of the core strategy. So the first thing it's going to do is going to look at the market, any news. So there's no real news, and it's looking at the sentiment. The market is currently in a state of extreme fear. Index at 16 at Bitcoin recently lost crucial support at 84,000, hitting lows around 81,000. So it's in a downtrend right now. So with the wave trade right here, the conditions for the indication is yes. Okay, the chart shows a clear downward break of previous structure, setting a bearish bias as price slid below 84,000. The condition or correction, the pullback. Yes, we are seeing price currently pulling back, consolidating near the 84.66 mark. As seen in your screenshot, is testing the downtrend resistance zone labeled on the chart. Condition 3, continuation, the entry. No, not yet. We have not yet seen a confirmed rejection or a break back towards the downside trend on the lower time frames. So as long as both of these are happening, it's almost to this part right here. You want it to break through the 84,066 mark, and then you take the trade. So all we're doing is waiting for confirmation. So that's a great trade right here. And then we look at the sand trade, and it's saying no, it hasn't even been through liquidity sweep. It hasn't been through displacement, and the structure shift is unclear. So what we're looking for is stay disciplined, friend. The market is testing the broken 84,000 level from below. In our wave trade logic, this is a classic correction phase. Steady plotting brings prosperity. Hasty speculation lends to poverty. So wait for a clear continuation signal, perhaps a bearish engulfing candle on the 15 chart rejection, that is 84,100, 84,200 area, before considering a short entry targeting the recent 81,000 liquidity pool. So that's what we're looking at right now. It's beautiful, right? So that's what it's giving us. Now let's look at what it's saying actually. So on the 4 hours or day, it's in a downtrend. We see that right here. This is a downtrend. It kind of got stuck right here. The bot called out on one of the trading indicators, called out a sale, which that's really good. We're looking at the 4 hours and it got stuck right here. It looks like it's going back down. Now, if we look at the 15 minutes, we see also that there's this resistance right here, that it keeps on going back down in this area. We also got another indicator, the Beast Trader bounce spot, saying it's going down. It went down. So we're in a good position to take this thing back down to where it was before. On which one? Which one is it going to take? Which one? Okay, let's look again. It's going to take the wave trade. The wave trade. So we have two different styles of trading. The AI bot looks at a picture and tells us which one to trade. This is actually the wave trade, and we're gonna get into this trade and get it going right here. This is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful setup, and we're waiting for what? 8466, and 8466 is right around this area that's already in. So we could take it right now, or we could wait for it to start going down a bit and break this support right here. But it would be a good trade to get in right here to go down. So that's what we're looking at, you guys. And I'm going to take this trade right here where it is, and we'll look at the results in a little bit. And we set it up right here, and I'm looking for a 3% stop loss and a 5% take profit. I think this is going to be a big move down, and I'm getting in right there. We see that when I got in, we were down already 50 something dollars, so it's already moving in our direction already, which looks like a good sign to what we want. We got a great trade right here. We got it at the top of this, you know, let me show you guys. We got it at the top of the resistance. We can keep on seeing it keeps on hitting this area right here over and over and over again. And plus we got the AI to signal that it's in a perfect wave trade to go back down. It did a pullback. This is the pullback right here. It went up and then it kind of flattened out, and we're just waiting for it to go down. So we'll check this out later on, and we'll add to this video when it comes down. God bless you guys. Hopefully you guys, and this is Friday night when the market closed and we're trading Bitcoin right now. You guys have lots of fun. Before I get off right now and I start recording later, I just want to tell you we're already up about $300. All right, you guys, God bless. Bye. Wow, what an amazing trade. I just got out of the trade. It went down just like it said, and the AI bot was totally correct. And let me show you the results of this. All right, here it is right here. So we just won $1,100, and look at all the fees that they charge us. We won $800 basically. Great one. You got to watch out for the commission, man. The fees that they charge you to get in and to get out. They charge us what was it, $300. Charge you a commission to get in, charge you a commission to get out. That's why be careful with Bitcoin. A lot of fees, but we won $800. Let's go. The AI Beach Trader Assist. Look how great this sand trade ended up being. It told us to take it right here on this purple line, and the Beach Trader bounce bot told us to take it down too on the 1 hours. So let's just look at what that looks like. Told us to get in right here. This is where I got in, and it went straight down. We got out like down here somewhere, but look how it just kept on going down this whole time. If you look at the 4 hours, you can really see what happened here. This is just an amazing trade. It told us right here to take it down, and now we're what, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 hours later. Look how far it is down. Let me tell you guys how much Bitcoin went down in that time that we took the trade. It went down $5,700. So if you would have had one lot on this, basically a $1 trade, you would have made $5,900 in this time. And let's see how much time it would have took. So it told us to get in right here to go down. It went straight down. It never went up. And this is basically, yeah, 20 hours right here. We could have waited. Man, what a great trade though. You're not gonna see anything like that. Look at the 15 minutes of how we got in right at the perfect time. Like, it never went higher than this right here. We got in right here. It never went that high again. We could have got in again right here, and it just fell. It was a perfect sand trade. It called out on the AI Beach Trader Assistant. You guys have to have that if you guys want to win. We're talking about trading Bitcoin over the weekend. Man, just huge wins. We could have stayed in it for a long time, but we got out with some great money. Hopefully you guys understand this. I want you guys to really understand how the AI Beach Trader Assistant, if you take a screenshot of the trade, you could ask it, is this the perfect wave trade or sand trade? This was the more difficult trade called the sand trade, and it really won a lot of money for us. It's still going down right now. There's still value in that same trade, and it went down over $5,000. All right, you guys, God bless you guys. Have a great day. Listen, you guys got to have this. All right, God bless. Bye.